I hit 1,200 miles the other day and took Sophie in for her 1,000-mile maintenance to get all that break-in stuff taken care of. While I was at it, I thought that I would go ahead and address one of the things that I don't care much for on the new Fat Bobs. That's the aluminum, or aluminium, mufflers on an otherwise beautiful color palette. I also wanted to get a little more low-frequency feedback from the exhaust, so I decided to put on some Rinehart 4.5-inch slip-ons. Hell yeah, brother. I think that looks much better. In fact, after eliminating the aluminum, I think I'm going to go ahead and keep the heat shields as they are instead of powder coating them black. So how does she sound now? Let's go check it out. All right, time to test out the new slip-ons. Definitely sounds more throaty. It's what I was going for. Not obnoxiously loud, but a little more manly. Doesn't sound like a sewing machine. Well, I don't know what they did on that service when they adjusted my clutch, but they have completely moved the friction zone out. It's got to be at least an inch. I'm going to have to dial that back in when I get home. I'll let this truck go. Yep, got a bit of a rumble. Don't have that sewing machine sound anymore. Holy shit. Okay, I dig that. We'll see how the audio comes out. I don't think I'm going to have to make any adjustment though. I think between the new helmet and not having the 15-inch windscreen on, I should be fine. It is definitely not loud like my old Sporty was, which is a good thing. I honestly didn't realize how loud that Iron 1200 was until I heard it being ridden off into the sunset, and it was like, holy crap, that's pretty damn loud. That damn glove came up. So I didn't have the bike dynoed. I don't have a tune on this. When I did research on the Rineharts, and I actually talked to Rinehart, a rep from their company as well, they said that with the fact that I already had a stage 1 breather on here, that adding this particular slip-on did not require a tune. I'm not hearing any like decel pop or anything. So I think I'll, you know, maybe wait about, I don't know, 500 miles or so. What are you doing, homie? Trying to get over and get by you. I'll maybe ride about 500 miles or so, and then I'll look at doing a dyno to get her dialed in a little bit. And I don't know if it's just my imagination or what, but I do feel like there's a little more torque and power coming out of the bike. I'm not sure how much performance, if any, you should expect to gain from those Rineharts. Like I said, you know, the bike came with a stage 1 breather on it, so the air intake is the same. All right, I'm gonna head home. I gotta get home, walk the dog, get changed, and head to the gym. So I'll be checking you guys out later. Let me know what you think, you know, about the difference in the sound with the exhaust. I'm not sure how awesome the recordings are going to come out that I made with the GoPro. But hopefully you'll be able to tell a little bit of the difference. You guys have a good one. Peace.